Hi there. Thank you for tuning in to Monoprice.com on our YouTube channel. My name is Sean Blatherwick of the Monoprice Tech Support Team. Today's tutorial is the 5th episode of Cable Building Series. We will be showing you how to make your RCA cable with Monoprice PID 6212. In the most normal usage, cables have a standard plug on each end, consisting of a central male connector surrounded by a ring. The ring is often segmented for flexibility. The female connector consists of a central hole with a ring of metal around it. The ring is slightly smaller in diameter and longer than the ring on the plug, allowing for the plug's ring to fit over it tightly. Most of all electronic devices have this connection, like DVD players, game consoles, TVs, VCRs, home theaters, just to mention a few. The RCA cable is a very important connection for audio signals. Most of all professional sound equipment uses this connection: audio mixers, speakers, audio processors. Today we're going to show you how to build your own RCA cable coming up. But for this installation, you're going to need some tools. The tools you need for this installation are the following: a wire stripper, side cutters, soldering iron, and solder. And of course, our cable from Monoprice.com PID 2747 and RCA plugs PID 6212.
I'm going to show you how to solder on your RCA ends to your cable. Step 1, determine the length of cable you need. Step 2, cut the cable. Once you've determined the length, you're going to go ahead and you're going to strip the outer jacket off. Now you don't want to strip too much off because you're going to need the outer jacket to stay inside the RCA end once it's soldered on. Now you see that there's an outer shielding on this particular cable. We don't need it since this cable also has a drain wire on the inside. And this may take a little while, so be patient. Now you see that I've gotten the shield completely stripped back, and I have my 3 conductors: the drain, the positive, and the negative. Now in this case you're going to need to go ahead and strip back the negative wire completely down to the bottom so you can twist it together with your shielded wire. And go ahead and strip back the positive side. Now you have your cable properly stripped. Now your next step, get your RCA end and untwist the top part. It comes in 2 pieces. Now don't forget, before you do anything, you need to slide your cable through the connector. Now to make your soldering life a little bit easier, you want to go ahead and put some solder on the connector piece beforehand. This will make it a lot easier for you. Now that you've got some solder on the connector, you want to go ahead and get some on the cable itself. Now I've got solder on both my conductors. Go ahead, and you'll see the little clamps at the bottom of this piece. Those need to be clamped down to the jacket to assure a nice firm hold. Once you've got the jacket in, go ahead, clamp it down, and go ahead and start soldering. Now once you have your center pin soldered, go ahead and slide the base back up. Go ahead and twist it back in. Now you're done. Now don't forget to repeat the same steps for the other side of the cable. And that's how you solder on your RCA cable.
find this and other products on the web, go to www.monoprice.com. Click on the search bar and enter product ID 6212. If you need help or have any questions, feel free to contact Monoprice Tech Support Team via the live chat at monoprice.com. Don't forget to visit our YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter pages. Once again, my name is Sean Blatterick, and I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thanks for watching it, and see you next time.